This is an 8-row repeat pattern using 2 different colours and 8 threads overall, and you want a mirror image at either side, and you want 2 colours on the outside and then 2 colours in the centre, and then a mirror of that at the other side. For row 1 you want to do all backward knots. For row 2 and every subsequent even numbered row, you want to ignore the first and last thread. You want to start with thread 2 and 3, and you want to do a backward knot. And then 2 forward knots. For row 3 you want to do all forward knots. For row 4, again ignoring the first and last threads, you want to start with a backward knot, then a forward knot, then a backward knot. For row 5, you want to start with a backward knot, then 2 forward knots, and then a backward knot. For row 6, again ignoring the first and last threads, you want to do 2 backward knots, and then a forward knot. For row 7, you want to do a forward knot, two backward knots, and a forward knot. For row 8, again ignoring the first and last threads, you want to do forward knots for the whole row. So once you've done those 8 rows, you want to return to row 1 and keep repeating these 8 rows all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be.